Why did you start researching into going solar to begin with?
I really wanted to see what we can do to reduce our footprint and be more conscious of protecting and saving our environment in whatever little way possible that we can do. And so that's why I looked into solar.
What are you looking forward to the most when you have solar?
Well, aside from the fact that it makes us all, the entire family, feel good that the almost 100% of our energy so far. It's been 2 months, and so far so good. Almost 100% of the energy that we consume, that we use, is basically energy that is equivalent to the amount of energy that the panels produce. So really, that makes us feel good.
Why did you choose solar over other competitors or other companies offering the same service?
Do my research, and I spoke to at least 3 or 4 providers, and I ended up with Solar because I had a good rapport with Jack, and what he gave me the most confidence in terms of I'm really a information or data freak, I suppose, and he gave me a lot of information, and he wasn't very pushy about the pitch and whatnot. He was very fair and reasonable, and I haven't regretted it. Well, the one thing I want to add is the other reason why I really like solar is I had all these ambitions of what a solar panel system would look like, and you guys talked me down, talked me down into achieving, getting those, like the battery system, right, the storage system. So you're very, you could totally sell me the product, right, but you weren't confident that it's at the point where it should be yet. So I appreciate that, right? That's something that really is of value to me as a customer. So thank you.